how to configure Always Allowed apps. First, open the Settings app and tap Screen Time. Scroll down, tap Always Allowed. Here, you'll see a list of apps that are always available, even when downtime or app limits are active. To add an app, scroll down to the Choose App section and tap the green plus icon next to the app you want to allow. It will immediately move to the Always Allowed list. If you want to remove an app, tap the red minus icon, then tap Remove to confirm. Once you've finished, your changes are saved automatically. These apps will remain accessible even when screen time restrictions are enabled. That's it! You've successfully configured Always Allowed apps on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and easy tech guides.